Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan. Today, Friday, 17 November 2023. I have a few potential trade setups to discuss where I will try to get long on the pound, the euro and the Swiss franc, and I will try to short the CAD, the US dollar and the yen. My first pick of the day is a potential long on the pound yen. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. At the end of the video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. The pound yen busy making a nice flag pattern, testing the bottom side of the flag. So I still have the structure here at 61%, so I will still look at this for longs. But a break and a retest would also be drawing my attention, with the pound being strong and the yen very weak. And the pound CAD retested yesterday. Nice reversal on the 1 hour charts here at the double bottom, but the relative strength kept me out of that trade, sadly. But now forming a little bit of a consolidation on the tops, fails to make a new high, so doesn't show that much of strength. But if we can get a break above that level, then the retest, I'll get interested in reversal patterns. Also, if it comes back down to this level, I'll be yet again interested in going long. The Euro CAD, Fibonacci swing retracement 61% right at the support level. Also this old resistance level just below the 61%, but that's the two levels I will watch. We got a strong euro and a weak CAD, so I prefer longs here. Euro US, euro strong, US very weak. Would like to see a retracement, highly doubt if that's going to happen. Don't really find a nice consolidation that we can try it, so I keep it on my list because I have to wait for it to get down here before I will take some longs. Then the Aussie US consolidating, could turn into a flag pattern, but connecting those two tops, the break, the retest, that's potential longs for me. If you look at Aussie US, that's my favorite direction on the long side. Euro yen, if it retraces back to this structure here I've identified a few days ago for you, euro yen still good for longs on pattern reversals here. Swiss yen, Swiss yen, definitely looking for pattern reversals at the support level. Market slowly but surely dribbling down back to this area. Let's hope it reaches that and give me some bottom pattern reversal. Aussie yen getting close to the level I'm watching. Aussie yen all good, so I'm waiting for this level to be tested around the 61% Fibonacci level. Then I'll attempt some longs on pattern reversals. FTSE yesterday, we tested the level. I gave you that level. Nice bullish engulfing reversal. Very good. And then it failed. Unfortunately, the pound suddenly started to strengthen, and that stuffed the whole FTSE trade. So that was a loss that we took yesterday, the only trade for yesterday. But this will not be on my list for today. In the US markets, the Nasdaq still waiting for the retracement. Could make a little consolidation later today. We'll see, but on a weak dollar, it's very stock market bullish. So the US markets definitely my favorite to be long in when I look at the stock markets. S&P 500, I need a retracement or some form of a consolidation. At this stage, I can't see one. And then the Dow Jones also. But this is busy making a little bit of a consolidation there. Nice flat there. So I will keep an eye there on the break and the retest. Other than that, a retracement back down here. In the pound US consolidating after a strong run. Pound US, no problem. Need the break and the retest or a 61% FIB retest. New Zealand yen. It's battling a little bit with this level. It did close below it. The New Zealand yen is getting a little bit close to each other. But I'm still keeping an eye there. But this needs to close way back above that resistance level there before I'll get interested. So for now, I think I'm going to step aside. I'll see later today or then Monday if I can do something. But it's testing the level. I'm keeping an eye there. CAD Swiss, the last directional swing down the page. Retracement back to 61%. Market structure, CAD with a very strong Swiss. I would like to be short here. So I'm going to keep an eye there for top reversals at the 61% level. And the Aussie CAD consolidating nicely into a potential triangle. It's busy forming the triangle. I'm not saying it is a triangle yet, but if it breaks up there, it will form a Bull-Williams fractal here, which I write in as a triangle. Aussie there, CAD there. still good to be long in. So once I see the break and the retest, I'll look for bottom pattern reversals. Then the Aussie Swiss, rising trend line, Aussie there, Swiss up there, very strong. If I can get this to break downwards, a retest there with a pattern reversal will then get my interest to go short. New Zealand US, already took the trade just now when I started to make the videos. New Zealand there and the US there. Nice 4-hour hammer candle. This is a trade I will take over the weekend if needed. I put a target on the high and the 1.27 of this last directional swing. Yeah, if you take that there. For now, I might move it during the live sessions, but that's what I'm after. I've got the hammer candle there, took the long, stop loss down there. If it doesn't work, well, there's another 61% level I will retest my theory with. Then also consolidating. I could add to the trade if I want to, depends on my stop loss at that stage. But here is a consolidation happening also. So I will be looking at the break and also a retest. So hopefully by that time next week, we could see the break, the retest, the stop might be in the money or much closer. That I'll be able to add to the trade and have a bigger position if it keeps going up the page. Zealand is losing a little bit of steam, but it's one of the few ones I can find that I can be short on the dollar at present. So I took the trade on this hammer candle. Then my favorite trade idea for today is a potential long on the US Swiss franc. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos for you. Also, if you are new to the channel, find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on my daily trade ideas. Now, on the US Swiss, you see the US very weak. I would love to be short here. Swiss very strong. That's why it's my favorite setup. Big drop on my mentoring program. We're already short from quite high up there on the daily chart. But this is another opportunity to short. Now, the break below the support level, the break, the retest, and then a top pattern reversal. Something there would get me short if we can break to a new low. But definitely my favorite for today, getting short on the US. Trading isn't just about my insights, guys. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.